Your legs won't fail first in an ultra. Your stomach will, and relying solely on natural food is the fastest way to a DNF. To run efficiently, you need 60 to 90 grams of carbohydrates per hour. To get that from gels like GU or Morton, that's just 3 small packets. To get that from bananas, you would need to eat 4 full bananas every single hour. The volume of real food required to hit high-carb targets destroys digestion while running. However, a purely gel-based strategy has 2 massive flaws: cost and the dreaded flavor fatigue wall. Fueling a 10-hour race entirely on premium hydrogels costs over $80 and often triggers a gag reflex by mile 40. You need a mixed strategy based on intensity zones, not just taste. Here is the twist. Solid food like bars or PB&J requires blood flow to digest, blood that is currently in your legs. Never eat solids while running fast. Only eat solids when you are hiking a steep uphill. By mile 40, your palate shifts from sweet to savory. This is where aid station boiled potatoes dipped in salt become a performance enhancer. They provide the sodium that gels lack and reset your palate so you can tolerate sugar again for the finish. Here is your purchase list for your next 50K. Buy 8 gels for the flats and downhills, 2 packs of chews for variety, and 2 solid bars strictly for the biggest climbs. Total cost, $35. Rely on aid station food for the rest to save weight. Test this exact protocol next weekend or risk walking home.